Hi everyone, today I'm at Breydon Water, the gateway to the Norfolk Broads. The majority of this video is going to be the camera placed in different positions and we're just listening to the sound of the water, okay? Breydon Water is 1,271 acres. It's 3 miles long and 1.5 miles wide in places. Starting from Breydon Water, or ending, whichever way you want to look at it, are 3 rivers. The River Bure, Yare and Waveney. It's a nature reserve and it's been managed since the mid-1980s by the RSPB. If you look at all the debris on these steps, that's how high the tide came in. There's one of the shipwrecks along Breydon Water that I often film actually at low water. Same boat, I'm just closer to it. I'd followed the path round and I was filming over there round the corner. The remains of another boat sticking out of the water. This riverside park gets its name from Herbert Barnes, who was a parish councillor for Cobham Island in the past. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, despite the very light drizzle that there is, making it look like it's foggy. But I actually filmed this video on Christmas Eve. So I've just been in town, finished everything I need to do, and I thought I'd just stop at the rugby club and go and film Breydon Water. So it's the sort of thing I do. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you're having a nice time, and I'll be back again very soon.